Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Pinterest account step by step. If you want a quick and clear guide, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type pinterest.com and open the website. Step 3. Once you're on Pinterest, tap on the settings icon at the top. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings to open your account options. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Profile Visibility. Step 6. At the bottom, you'll find Deactivate Account. Tap on it. Step 7. Choose your reason for deactivating and press Deactivate Account. Step 8. Finally, tap. Continue to confirm and complete the process. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and professional tech guides. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.